Every time a customer opens your cart, that's the highest intent moment of their entire shopping journey. They've already decided to buy, and most store owners waste that moment with just a checkout button and nothing else. Today we will be fixing that with a cart upsell widget built from scratch, no app, no monthly fee, just a clean code that prints money. So my beautiful people, you are welcome back again to my channel. My name is Waliyullahi, Shopify developer at Ecom. What we are building today is an automatic product recommendation that lives inside your cart drawer and pulls a related product from Shopify's own recommendations API and lets customer add in one click. So before we write any code, let me explain what's actually going on under the hood. Shopify has a native recommendation API built into every single plan. It already knows which products are related, same collection, and same product type. So we are not building that ourselves, we are just surfacing it. And one product, not three, that's intentional. Because the moment you shoot three products, you create a decision paralysis. So one card, one button, that's what converts. And also a quick one on Horizon theme specifically. Horizon doesn't use a cart drawer upsell like down theme or any other theme does. So the content lives inside a snippet called cart-summary.liquid. That's where we will inject our widget, and I will definitely show you exactly where. So let's begin the implementation. Now the first thing you are going to do is you click on these three dots right here, and you click on your edit code page, which is here. So you go to snippets folder like this. So you right click on your mouse to add new file and name the file cart-upsell.liquid. Now the file is created. Now this file is just the HTML shell. It starts empty on a page load because JavaScript populates it dynamically when the cart drawer is open. And two things that matters here: the cart upsell on the wrapper and the cart upsell inner on the dive inside. If you get those two wrong, nothing works. So here is the code for this particular file. Let's copy this code here, then paste this here. So you can either use Ctrl S to save, or you come right here to save it. Now moving on to the next step, you go to assets folder. Here's our assets folder. Add new file by right clicking on your mouse again. Add new file. Now name the file cart-upsell.css. Now here is the code for this file. To copy this entire CSS code here from here. Copy it from here, then scroll down. To this place, to this particular place. So copy it and you paste it into this file. So you can either use Ctrl S or come right here and click on save. Now the file is saved. So you should notice I'm not hard coding any colors on this particular file. You should notice I'm not hard coding any colors because everything uses Shopify CSS variables, color button and color foreground, which means this widget will inherit whatever the store owner set in their customizer. And I also added a skeleton loader that shimmer the animation whenever the recommendation fetches. So now moving on to the next step, which is our step 3. On this same assets folder, right click again to add new file, Now name the file cart-upsell.js. cart-upsell.js. Now this is the brain of the widget. It watches the widget. It watches the cart drawer, and the moment it opens, it fetches a related product from Shopify recommendations API and filters what's already in the cart, and also it renders the suggestion automatically. So when the customer clicks on add, it adds the item, update the cart, and refresh the upsell with a new suggestion, all without a page load. So here is the code for this particular file. So here, now I copy it from here down. It keeps scrolling down. To this particular place here. Now you copy the entire code, then you paste it into this file, and you save. You can either use Ctrl+S or it comes right here to save it. Now the last step is our step 4. On assets folder, on snippets folder, you look for cart-upsell.liquid. For you to easily find it, just search for it here. Cart-upsell.liquid. It's inside the snippets folder. So click on it right here. My bad. We are going to search for cart-summary.liquid rather. I'm sorry. We are going to search for cart-summary.liquid. Cart-summary.liquid. Here is it. So click on it right there, like this, and you look for this particular line. Now the first thing you are going to do in this file, we are going to copy the code for our style sheet tag and our script tag for the two assets folder file we created. So paste it at the very top of this cart-summary.liquid file like this. Then you look for this particular line here. Look for this particular line. So you can just use Ctrl+F to search for the particular line. Here is it to find it. So here is it. So just above this line, just above it like this, copy this code. This is our render code, cart-upsell render code. So copy it and you paste it there. Then save it. That's it. Our widget is now live on our live store. So let's preview it. This thing is still saving. The network is quite slow. Okay. Now let's check our live store. Now let me refresh it just to show you. We don't have anything new here first, so let me just refresh it to see our implementation. Now let's check our cart drawer. Very good. As you can see, you might also like, so customer can from this place, from this simple upsell, customer can still choose more products, and it's a suggested it's a related product. If you see, this one is smart recite table with safe, and this one is storage coffee table. So it's a related product, like as I said earlier, that Shopify recommendation API. So we can add the product like this, and it will be added to the cart. and it will suggest another product. So let's me add another one. Now we have 3 products in the cart. And it's already suggesting more. So if you still click on it, it will still suggest another more related product to this product. So that's just it. Now what I want you to take from this is that Shopify gives you more than anyone realized out of the box. The recommendations, the section rendering, CSS variables that adapt to anything, and most store owners pay monthly for the features that are already there. So you just need to know where to look. That's all. So the code for this particular tutorial is in the description below. And if this helps, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.